Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at LEGO Polybag 40341. And this is the Xtra, with an X, C accessories. Now, normally these Polybag videos are like Polybag build-alongs, but I really don't know how much building we're going to do with this. Because this is more, really the extra sets are more just pieces that you can kind of add to your other builds. So let's take a look and see what we got, and see what all looks exciting. Now these, at the time of making these videos, these bags were, these little poly bags were available on LEGO Store for like $3.99 each. And I'll include links in the description where you can find them on Amazon and on Bricklink as well. So stuff that we get a chest, which is cool. It's not too bad. So I guess the big question is this bag worth $3.99? That's the question you gotta answer. And so you get a chest, which is just making it difficult for. So you get a treasure chest. You get a shark. You don't get the coolest shark, but you get a shark. I am personally a fan of the great white shark, because it makes a remarkably pleasant clicky noise when you open and close it. But you get a normal shark, which is not bad. You get a parrot and a fish. So parrot and fish. You get a barrel and a surfboard and a pair of fins. You get a clam. Yeah, you get a clam. So, this clam. And it's like two tops of the spear guns. You get a treasure map. I'm always a fan of printed pieces. And then some jewels. And some little transparent red pieces. A couple of these little transparent white pieces. You get a... I'm guessing that's intended to be a buoy. Maybe, ta-da, buoy. I'm sorry, ta-da, buoy. You get 3 fins. Huh. Maybe that's for one of those hidden side characters that has 3 legs. Actually, I don't know if any of those hidden side characters have 3 legs or not. So, I guess these are used to make yourself a spear, maybe? Like so? I'm kind of just looking at the front of the package to see. So you make a spear out of these, like so. That's kind of cool. And so you get a couple of those. You get a couple of stars, a pair of binoculars, and an oar. So this is your haul for $3.99. It's okay, I guess. I mean, I guess the big part is the shark. That's the big piece. It's probably not bad for $3.99. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is this a reasonable addition to your Lego City set for $3.99? I'm guessing probably, but I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know down there. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.